Sometimes an Amazon order may show as delivered even if you never receive it. This situation can be frustrating for customers. Fortunately, Amazon provides a simple process to report missing items. First, check the delivery status of your order. Open the Amazon app on your phone. Go to your order history section. Find the order that shows as delivered. Before contacting support, check around your home. Look near your front door and porch. Also check your mailbox or any package box. Sometimes packages are left in hidden locations. You may also want to ask neighbors if they received it by mistake. If you still cannot find the package, return to the Amazon app. Open the order details page. Review the delivery information. Check the tracking details carefully. Some deliveries include a photo confirmation. This photo may show where the package was placed. If the item is still missing, look for the help option. Select the option that says problem with order. Next, choose the option labeled item not received. This will open the support page. Amazon may provide several support options. You may see chat, phone, or email support. Choose the option that works best for you. Many people prefer using chat support. Start a conversation with the support agent. Explain that your package was not received. Provide your order number if needed. The support agent will review your order details. They may ask you to confirm your delivery address. Answer the questions clearly and honestly. Once the issue is verified, Amazon will provide solutions. In most cases, you can request a replacement item. Another option is receiving a full refund. If you choose a refund, confirm the request. Amazon will then process the refund. You should receive a confirmation message. You may also receive a confirmation email. Refunds usually return to your original payment method. Processing time may vary depending on your bank. Check your bank account or payment method for the refund. Once the refund is completed, the issue is resolved. Amazon customer support usually handles these cases quickly. And that's how you request a refund if your Amazon item was not received.